And I understand that the Thai Kami Naman signature campaign is to gather to gather signatures of people who want to manifest to the Supreme Court to finally decide on the legality and other issues relating to the taking of former President Rodrigo Duterte. So, um, kumbaga, as far as the legalities are concerned, the court will ultimately be the judge of that. But we cannot say with absolute certainty na bawal yan or that the court does not act on letters. Okay? So, yun lang po. Yun lang yung ano natin. Kumbaga, like I said, the opinions of other lawyers, we respect them because they are fellow officers of the court. I do, however, have a different opinion that the Supreme Court has acted on letters before, and this particular petition, which has been initiated by people like Sina Joey and all that, well, for me, if it gives the people something to do, to be able to be proactive, then that is something that we can support. Sabi ni Liberty. But as for ID or passport, I know there's nothing wrong with the signature campaign. I disagree, Ma'am Liberty, and this should be made clear. The reason for kasi nakita ko na mayroon talagang nagko-question. Ang sabi, iimbentohin nyo lang ang mga signatures na yan. Okay, that's one. So it is to assure the recipients of the letter that the people who are writing to them are real people with real names, with real faces, with real identities. And this is not unreasonable. Okay, next. It is also possible that if the court says, file your petition, do not make this a letter, then the signatories will be also resubmitting the same thing. And they will have to verify their identity. So for those who do not want to give their IDs or any sort, then you are not required to sign the campaign. It's voluntary. You don't have to if you feel pressured, then you do not have to participate. Can I sign without any identification? I understand that the proponents of the signature campaign require identification precisely because there are people who question baka daw iniimbento lang yung mga signatures at yung mga tao na yan.